Men, if you are out here crushing on other women, I want you to stop. The key to that vibrant woman you admire out there is in your hands right now. You can absolutely make your girlfriend, your wife, to look more better than that girl or that lady you are crushing on outside there. Everything is in your hands. Listen, every woman is beautiful. If she was beautiful to you on the first date, you can actually make her more beautiful in your marriage. Your woman look is a direct reflection of her confidence and how much you prioritize her. A stressed, overlooked woman struggles to look her best, but a cherished, confident woman will always glow. This is just the truth about it. So how do you now unlock that glow? Then it comes down to three investments you need to make on your woman. 1, prioritize her time. Make her the main thing. When you put your wife first, above your phone, above the guys, above the stress, you already give her the emotional security she needs to relax and thrive. So you need to prioritize your woman time. This is number 1. Then the number 2, I hope the guys will attack me on this, but it's very important. Spend on your woman confidence. Guys, you need to learn how to spend on your woman. I mean the woman that truly deserves your money. I don't mean a gold digger. That money isn't just for bills, children's school fees, and everything. It's also for your wife's hair, clothes, her self-care. Invest in her confidence. The number 3 I'm about to tell you now is more powerful than every other point that I've mentioned here. Praise your woman. Praise her. I'm not trying to tell you to start singing praises to her or start clapping. Learn how to compliment her. Stop looking for finished products out there. Learn how to start celebrating the one you have at home. Always tell your woman how beautiful she is. Always tell her that she is a very pretty woman. If you don't do this, girls, they say that women have small brains. Sorry to say this. Let me tell you something. I'm not doubting this sometimes. You need to let her know those things that other people might help you to tell her outside. You need to start telling your woman that she is the most beautiful woman you've ever seen. Like, praise her. You are investing deeply and greatly in her confidence. Finally, your crush is just a stranger, right? But your wife is your queen and the true reflection of your effort. So I would advise you guys to stop looking for a spark out there. Fuel the one you have right beside you. Stop searching for a better woman. Build a better woman.